Good afternoon, YouTube. Today is August 31st, 2018. It's been a while since I made my last video. Apologies for that. I've just been caught up in a lot of business travel. But I'm getting right back into it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pull a tax report from Coinbase. So why does this matter? It's August, or the end of August, and we shouldn't really have to worry about taxes until early 2019. In theory, that's the wrong way to think about it. Really, you should be proactive about your taxes, and this video is meant to support in doing that. So with that said, like any of my other videos and this one, I'm not a financial professional or advisor, so you should not take the contents of this video as such. Always do your own research. And then, of course, you will need a Coinbase account to follow along. So let's go ahead and just dive straight into this. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to Coinbase.com and log in. I already did that, and you'll see I'm in my dashboard. And in your dashboard, you'll have a few selections, and you got to click on this Tools option right here that I'm hovering over with my mouse. And so now it'll bring me to my addresses section. It'll give me just history on the addresses, recurring transaction reports, and history. But what we care about is this guy right here, Tax Center. This is something I recently noticed. So you can go ahead and click on that. And they have some pretty interesting and informative things. They've got a link to a blog post that tells you how to doesn't tell you how to exactly prepare for your taxes, but it provides some guidance. Hence why they say that the blog post contains guidance to help you and your tax professional. You have the ability to get transaction histories for all your buys and sells, but that's not what we care about. We care about their beta report program. So it's a gain-loss calculator. It tells you how they calculate their cost basis. And then they, of course, say, please be advised that this will only be accurate for investors who have only bought or sold digital assets on Coinbase. So what that means for you is if you've ever used anything other than Coinbase to buy or sell cryptocurrency, this calculator may not actually be useful for you. And I don't know why they call it a calculator, because it's really just a report, and I'll show you why. So you'll see that they have the 2017 ready for me, my reports. So you should see something similar, and go ahead and click on download. And it'll say, download my reports, and it'll show you all the reports that are available. So it creates these tax reports on a per wallet type basis. So they got the Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and so on. So I'll go ahead and do, just for fun, the Bitcoin wallet. And you click on download. And it'll download this spreadsheet. And it will basically give you a bunch of disclaimers up here. It'll give you your suggested total gains and losses in the year. And it'll tell you all your buying details in this area here, your sells here, your gains and losses, and it'll tell you whether it was a short-term or a long-term capital gain. So this is basically the tax report that Coinbase provides right now. One thing I wasn't able to show you was when you first download the report, you'll get this giant warning from Coinbase, and it'll basically say that they cannot guarantee the accuracy of these reports. And so it's a beta, and that's why it's a beta. I mean, a beta means that it's an imperfect product. So there are a lot of caveats around using this report for filing your taxes. So to be clear, Coinbase has created this tax report, but they're saying there's no guarantee that it's perfect. I personally will not be using these reports for a lot of reasons, but it still seems really complicated to me. And so that's my own take on it. If you have any questions about this report or this process, I don't know how much I can help because I don't do tax advice at all. But I will see what I can do in terms of, pointing you in the right direction. So use the comment section for that. And if you like these videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and have a good day. Bye.